Imagine standing on a busy city street and breathing clean air, with the only sound being the quiet hum of electric motors. Beyond just cleaning up the air we breathe, EVs play a crucial role in the fight against climate change. The transportation sector is one of the largest sources of greenhouse gas emissions globally. When these cars are charged with power generated from renewable sources like solar, wind, hydropower, the entire cycle becomes nearly carbon neutral. The autonomous aspect adds another layer of environmental benefits through sheer efficiency. This allows them to coordinate their movements to minimize traffic congestion, reducing idling and energy waste. Services like robotaxis could drastically reduce the need for personal car ownership, freeing land from massive parking lots for parks, housing, and public areas. While the future of autonomous EVs is incredibly bright, the road to getting there is paved with significant challenges that must be addressed. Perhaps the biggest hurdle is ensuring safety and reliability. They can struggle in edge cases, complex construction zones, erratic human behavior, severe weather that obstructs sensors. Rigorous testing and validation on an unprecedented scale are required. Our current traffic laws were written for human drivers. Who is at fault in an accident involving a self-driving car? The owner, the manufacturer, or the software developer? What level of safety performance must a car demonstrate before it's allowed on public roads without a human backup driver? High-profile accidents, even if rare, can erode confidence and set back public acceptance. Building this trust will require transparency from companies, positive real-world experiences, and extensive public education. We need a massive expansion of our charging infrastructure and smart traffic signals and 5G communication networks, providing retraining programs and social safety nets to ensure a just and equitable transition for everyone affected. The journey toward a future filled with autonomous electric vehicles is one of the most exciting and transformative endeavors of our time. We've explored how these smart, clean machines work, combining advanced sensors like LiDAR, cameras, with the powerful brain of artificial intelligence. They promise a world with safer roads, reduced pollution, newfound mobility for many. The technology is advancing at an incredible pace, getting smarter and more capable with every mile driven. Establishing clear laws and regulations, building unwavering public trust, preparing our cities and our workforce for the coming changes. The future of driving is electric, and it is autonomous. It is a future that is quieter, cleaner, and, above all, safer. And that hopeful journey is well underway, bringing tomorrow's world to our streets sooner than we think.